Hello everyone, today I will announce my new course, Building AI Systems in Pure Go. And before all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vitalii Honchar. I am senior software engineer with 9 years of experience. I was working in such companies like Pinterest, Revolut, Forms3, Ajax Systems, and others. My primary experience is in building high-load and high-resilience backend applications. I also was working with LLM systems, did some research with LLM systems, built services with LLM integrations, and building blog about LLM applications. My motivation to create this course is clear. I see a lot of developers want to learn how to build AI applications, but there is a lack of resources how to do it, at least in Golang, because mostly courses how to build AI-powered applications are for Python language, and it makes an illusion that if you need to build AI application, you need to use Python, you need to use microservices pattern with introducing a new service in Python, and do not leverage your existing ecosystem, which makes architecture complex, hiring pipeline complex because you need to hire your Golang developers, Python developers, and so on, and operation cost increasing. To solve this, I am proposing to learn how to build systems in Golang and have, as a result, lower cost, faster delivery, no new service to deploy, and leverage existing Golang ecosystem. In my course, we will build this system, this notification system, which will generate personalized notification for user with LLM. It will work in this way. User will generate behavior events, which will be streamed in the nuts jet stream, and feature store first will consume these events, build features and store in the database. Next, LLM decision engine by 1 hour or by some time out will get user features, make a decision if need to send notification to this user or not need, and next generate personalized notification based on the features for this user, and send notification to user. This system is excellent for learning how to build AI-powered applications because it not only teaches how to build a new AI-powered application, but it also teaches how to integrate AI-powered application in your existing system, because in existing system you will have some extra data about user, some events like here in this diagram, user and nuts, and you need to make a decision for this data with LLM. You technically can do this decision directly with LLM, but quality of the decision will be low. That's why we need to introduce a concept of feature store, and convert this already exists data to feature and allow LLM to consume it and make a decision, and quality of which will be higher. So let's go next and see what modules I will have in my course. First will be Go native LLM integration, where I will teach how to build basic Golang integration with LLM. Second, feature engineering for LLM prompts, how to build feature store, what is feature, and so on. Next will be LLM patterns and workflows, what is the difference between workflow, agent, and simple LLM call. Next will be production LLM decision engine, that is how to build decision engine for LLM, how to use efficiently these patterns. Next will be production reliability patterns, what patterns exist and which pattern you need to choose to build a reliable LLM integration. Next will be monitoring and optimization, because monitoring and optimization is super important in production systems, as far as you want to always monitor performance degradation, cost using of LLM, and so on. And finally, we will have scale into production patterns. I will explain how to scale LLM powered applications, because it's not so obvious, and how to scale them. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you will like my course and subscribe to it. Thank you. Bye.